Hi my love, welcome back to my channel. It's a new year. I still can't believe we're in 2018. Thank God for his mercies, thank God for his kindness, thank God for everything. I'm really excited for the new year. I know the new year is going to bring joy, wonderful things, and many beautiful things. And I'm wishing you a happy new year filled with love, filled with joy with you and your family. So today, what we're going to be talking about is makeup essentials. I mean, makeup basics. There are certain things that I think needs to be talked about when you want to achieve a flawless makeup. There are just some things that are necessary. I'm talking about the foundation. The foundation is not necessarily the applying the foundation, so to say, but the foundation is prepping your skin. The prepping your skin helps to give a flawless base. No, prepping your skin helps to give a smooth base to work with. I mean, your face is what you work with. So prepping your skin, moisturizing and all those things helps the makeup process. It helps the makeup application. So I really think there are just some things there are some things that you need to know, things that you need to help you get a flawless finish, so to say. So let's just get started. First I'm going to talk about moisturizers. Okay, when I say moisturizer is basically like as it says, moisturize your skin, helps prepare your skin for a smooth base. I usually use Embryolisse. This is what it looks like. This is what I use most of the time, and I also use the MAC Prep and Prime. I use the MAC Strobe Cream. It just helps make the skin soft, and it just helps it with a smooth application. And then I'm going to go ahead with primer. Primer is very essential, guys. Like, primer is like, I don't know how to put it, but you just need a primer. You need an eye primer and you need a face primer. I usually use the soft ochre primer. This is what it looks like, but you can use any primer. I use the soft ochre. I use the NYX Jumbo Mink pencil. It serves, that's the one that is like a pencil. It's a very good primer base for the eyeshadow. Now I'm still talking about the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, then I use a couple of others, for the primer. And the primer basically helps you enhance your eyeshadow color. If you don't use a primer, it doesn't, your eyeshadow color doesn't pop out. You don't get the true color of the eyeshadow. That's basically what the primer does. It just helps you, it just helps with the color of the eyeshadow. It just helps you bring the actual color of the eyeshadow to life, so to say. If I hope you understand that. So face primers in the market, loads and loads of face primer, but if there's anything I think one should really invest in, it should be your primer, really, because it's your primer that basically helps you achieve, helps you stay matte all day. That is not oily, especially for people that have oily or combination skin. Not necessarily for people that have dry skin, but people that have oily or combination skin. So you need a face primer. I have different types of face primer. I have the Milani. This is the Milani Prime Shield. This is the LA Girl Pro Prep Smoothing Face Primer. And this is the Becca. This is like the famous Becca. This is the one I use most. If there's anything I think you should, like I said, to invest in, I think you should invest in your primer. Then I'm going to be talking about setting spray, guys. Setting sprays. After you have mothered your whole face with powder, you need a setting spray to help you bring back skin, or bring back your skin. Just basically hydrate your skin. You need setting spray is like the overall, is like the icing on the cake after you have done your makeup and all those things. It just helps take the cake face away, and you are just good, and you're going to, and he also helps you, he also keeps you matte all day. So the ones that I usually use, anybody who knows me who knows this is my go-to makeup spray. This is my everything. I use it to spray my brush. I use it to spray my, even my highlight brush. I use it to even prep my face before I start makeup. It's just my ride or die. Like, this is for me. This is the MAC Fix Plus, and you have other ones. This is the LA Girl. This is the one, the Pro Setting Spray High Definition. This is the Pro Setting High Definition HD High Definition Setting Spray, long lasting matte finish. That's what it says, but this is what I usually use, because I realized MAC Fix Plus helps you. It just gives you that dewy, that's beautiful, that's that sultry finish. There's just something about MAC Fix Plus. It just is the best. As in, for me, oh, like, this is it's just beautiful. I think anybody needs, like like, this is okay. This has to be like here, like, just because you tend to need it like every other. Yeah. This, the wipes, and a tissue. Like, you just need, especially the wipes. I mean, you know, you need to clean brushes. No, you need to clean wipes. Is not advisable to clean brushes. You need it. Like, just stack wipes in your house, because for makeup it is just very, very needed. And guys, what I think you really need again is the brush cleaner. You need a brush cleaner. This is from Cinema Secrets. This is what it looks like. And trust me guys, you need a brush cleaner. It's not every time you have time to clean your brushes, to wash your brushes, I mean to soak them in water and start to wash. Actually, when you have to like go out, when you have to rush out, when you have to combine colors and all those things, you just really need this. And this is how it works. You take for instance, this is the dirty brush, and you probably need to like quickly use it again. All you just do is, what I do is I just spray it on the toilet paper. I just spray it on the toilet paper like this, and I take my brush, and it's ready to use like instantly. You don't need to do something or going to like dipping inside the water to wash. It just comes out clean like almost immediately. And you know, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Like, I'm gonna be judging you if you don't. Like, I'm gonna be judging you. please subscribe, like, give it a thumbs up, comment. Most especially, I want to hear from you. I really honestly do want to hear from you. Whatever you think, wherever you think I should do, whatever you want to see, please let me know. Like, please share this video, please. I think a lot of people just need to be aware of these things, you know, be aware of these things. You know, thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love you. And it's clean and like, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I've come to the end of, thank you so much for watching. I've come to the end of this